Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to import credit card transactions to QuickBooks Online. Now the first thing that you should do is simply go and open Intuit QuickBooks like this. Then on the top right side you will have this button. Click on this arrow beside this button. Then it will show here QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Solopreneur, QuickBooks Self-Employed. You just have to click on QuickBooks Online. Then you'll have now to log in using your credentials. Then after that it will navigate you to this page right here. And now you'll have to click on Expenses. When you click on this arrow beside expenses, it will open this menu to you. Then now you have to choose here from this menu expenses again. Then it will show you here this section. Now we will have to click on the new transaction on the top right side. Then click on expense option right here. Then now here you will have to add the payee on the top left side. And the payee is the individual or company you paid with this transaction. It's crucial to enter this correctly for proper record keeping and reporting following the payee indicate the payment account essentially. This is where you are specifying which credit card or account was used for this particular expense entering. This accurately ensures your financial reports reflect true activity. Continuing on, input the payment method. So you'll have here to enter the payment account and fill in the payment method. This will likely be credit card given the focus here, but make sure to select from any saved methods you have or add a new one. If necessary, next specify the product or service associated with this expense. This part of the entry is vital as it categorizes the cost and assists in analyzing where your money is going in Generator. After carefully entering all the relevant data, take a moment to review your entry. When you are satisfied that everything is correct, click on Save and Close on the bottom right side. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.